everyone, it's me, Miss Bev. Today we're going to make a cootie catcher or a fortune teller, depending on how old you are and what you learned when you were a kid, what they're called. Okay, so all we need is a piece of white paper, like copy paper, pen or a marker or a pencil, and the scissors. All right, let's get started. Okay, here we are. So we're going to take our paper, our rectangle, we're going to make it into a square by folding this over to make a triangle at the top, like so. Then we're going to take our scissors and cut away from ourselves, of course. Forget who I'm talking to. This is really for the parents. I guess some kids can make this themselves. I used to, but it's probably older than you all are. Okay, I open it up. You can see the crease I have. So now you're going to put the crease in the center and fold it over to make another crease. So you should have it look like this. So you went once and then once, so you got your crease. Okay, then you're going to make it like put the one point towards you. You're going to fold this towards the center to make a point. And you're going to do that on each one, each corner. You want to make it so they kind of meet. Okay, all right. This is really good when they play with these for your kids' hands and fingers and dexterity and showing control. Then you're going to take and flip it over so that all your points are now on the bottom. And you can still see your crease, correct? All right. Then you're going to take and fold this up to the center again. You see? So now you've got it like this. All the way around. I feel like I should have music playing in the background or something. Or learn how to put this on speed, but I'm just lucky I know how to do this. Okay, so fold them all in, and it should just look like this. And then when you turn it over, you've got 4 squares on the back. Okay, so you're going to take your squares, and you're going to write a color on it. So you're going to do R, and I would use upper cases, R-E-D. You can do B-L-U-E, pink, whatever color your kids like. Pink, red, blue, pink, and let's say yellow. Okay, then you're going to turn it over, and on the inside, so this is your outside, on the inside part, you're going to put numbers. Now, your numbers do not want to go in order. So, like here, I might have number 1 and number 5. Excuse me. So you have 2, 4, 6, 8. So you want to have numbers between 1 and 8, but not necessarily, you don't want them in order. So here's 6 and 3 and 7 and 2 and 4 and 8. Okay, couldn't remember what I was doing. There we go. Okay. Then this part you can do at home afterwards, but when you open it up, after the numbers, you'll see that there are creases between these triangles. Can you see the creases? So on one half of the crease, you're going to write something kind. So it's like a fortune thing. You could say, you make me laugh. And write it so that I can help read them when the kids do it. So you want to write kind of big. Okay? Not too big, but kind of big. And on this side, I'm going to put you like candy. Okay, so you can do it either way. So you can go to the side, however it fits best. So you want to write things that are nice on there, or funny, or something that will make them feel good. So you could write, I like your smile. Or you could write, I have you make me laugh. I like your smile. You're a nice friend. Whatever you want to write. You don't have to do mine because then they'll all be the same. But you can do some of the same. But okay, and you can ask the kids what to write if you want. No, surprise them. It'd be more fun. Anyways, so you're going to fill them all in. And then when you do, you fold it back up. Fold it like so. Give it another good crease. Fold it over one more time with another good crease. Then you open it like so. You put your finger and your thumb in one side. Then you put your finger and your thumb on the other side. You got to slide them in there, see? And this is what we're going to teach your kids to work with. And we'll play this with them. So they'll hold it like this. Okay, and I'll say, all right, pick a color. And on here, you can even write, instead of writing the color, you can just draw the color. You can make it a pink circle, a yellow circle, a red circle, a blue circle. Or I'll just tell them. They can point to one and I'll tell them what it says. Okay? But it's more fun if they can see it. If I had all my markers, I would have written yellow, red, blue with the correct ink. Okay, then they're going to, so we'll say red, R-E, you go R-E-D. So then they have to pick a number and they say 8. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then they get to pick one more number and they say 3. So you stop, they get to open it up and I'll read it for them. They'll hold it up like this and it says, I like your smile. That's what we're doing on Wednesday as part of our time together on Zoom for the Orange Group. But anybody's welcome to make these. You can make them for Passover too. You can actually write questions in there and they have to answer the question. There's lots of fun things to do with these. You need any help or any questions? You got my number. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye.